stopping.
Get down!
Get out!
What do you think you're doing? I am the mayor of this city.
I don't care who you are. You're gonna be a lot less if you don't get out of that limo right now. Move.
Can I help you with something? I mean, I always enjoy spending time with my constituents.
Shut up! You know who I am. You know exactly who I am. And you know who my brother is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop lying! Fine. We'll do this your way. Maybe you can give your husband a message for me. Let him know I'm not playing games with him anymore.
Get away from her, John.
Ah! Stay out of my way!
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Trying to find Andy!
By attacking the mayor of the city?
By going after Davy and Dark's wife!
It doesn't matter if she's Dark's wife. She is the mayor. She has the media. She has the police.
I don't give a damn! I'm so angry I can hardly breathe.
No.
Arrow. All new episode tonight at 8/7 Central on the CW.